Module 1. What is financial freedom? Most people want to achieve financial freedom in their lives, but they are just not able to do so for several reasons, which are as follows. Many don't have an idea of what financial freedom truly is. Many don't know the steps to take to achieve it. Many don't think it is possible. Many have the wrong notion or idea of what financial freedom is, and the list goes on. So in a bid to address this issue, I decided to come up with this course, Understanding Financial Freedom. The truth is, anybody can achieve financial freedom if they are willing to be educated on it. Financial freedom is not a mystery as many think, it just needs the required knowledge, and you are on your journey to freedom already because you signed up for this. I know this might sound ridiculous for some people, but that's just the truth. The difference between you and the people who have achieved this freedom in their lives is the knowledge and execution of acquired knowledge. They have received the knowledge and are putting it to work in their lives. You too can do the same if you will make a conscious decision to learn and execute. So the big question is, what is financial freedom? Different people have their different definition of this, and this is because of their background, location, exposure, and even race. Some think financial freedom is doing everything you can do to have more money to spend when you want to spend it. But that's just half truth. You can have all the money in the world and not enjoy the work you do or even the money you earn. You can be earning enough money but still be under money pressure. You can have all the money in the world and not have time for your family or for yourself. You can have all the money in the world, but the process of getting it is draining the life out of you. So that makes that definition partly true. Financial freedom is much more than just having enough money to spend. There are other sides to it than meet the eyes. It's very unfortunate that many people's idea of financial freedom is just in having money to spend. But they never think about how to earn this money or how to multiply it when it comes. All they think about is how to have it to spend when they want to spend it. No wonder lots and lots of people are not able to achieve this highly coveted freedom in their lives. The truth is, financial freedom is a broad topic. It goes beyond just having enough money to spend when you want to spend it. There is much more to it than meet the eyes, so I will be sharing with you the things you need to know. So again, what is financial freedom? Financial freedom is striking a balance between money, work, family, and social life. It is having the understanding of money and how it works, so that it doesn't intimidate you or make you lose your confidence as a person. It is having the right values for money. It is becoming totally debt-free. It is knowing how to attract money, not run after it, and not letting it come in the way of your relationship with your family, friends, and even your social life. It is knowing how to be in control of money so that you don't be under its control. It is knowing how to be independent of money. It is knowing how to be free from the pressure of money both in your youthful age and also in your old age. All these cumulates to what forms the definition of financial freedom, and I must say there is a large difference between financial freedom and financial success. In this class I'm not talking about financial success because they are two different things. Financial success is being successful with money. For example, a man who has a good job that pays well can say he is financially successful, but that doesn't make him financially free. The reason is, the day he loses that job, his financial success comes to an end. Even if he doesn't lose the job, if he knows nothing about how to manage and multiply money, that success will not be for long. Another example would be a man who was left a large inheritance of money. You can say that man has become financially successful, but it doesn't learn anything about cash generation, management, and multiplication. He will spend all he has and get back to square one. So you see that, what I'm not talking about here is not financial success but financial freedom. Of course, being financially successful is important, no doubt, but that's just the beginning stage of this journey called financial freedom. The goal is to achieve that and go beyond it, but sadly, due to the lack of knowledge in this area, many people strive to be financially successful and stop there thinking that's it. But later in life, they discover that some things are missing. However, that's the reason this course was designed, so that you can be equipped with full riches of a complete understanding. So stay with me as we dive into the next module.